Get ready with me for my 20-year high school reunion. But y'all, tell me why my period decided to pay me a visit the day before yesterday. So I'm feeling all bloated, face feeling full. At least I didn't get a bad breakout this time, but I'm like, really? Right before my 20-year high school reunion? But hey, that's life. That's what us ladies gotta go through. So we just gotta push through and do what we gotta do. It is what it is. We going. It's at a skating rink, so I'm gonna be doing some skating. I hope I don't fall and bust my ass. But it should be fun, so I'm excited about it. I went and got my Letterman jacket from high school cleaned at the cleaners yesterday, and I'm gonna just kind of keep it cute and simple. I'm not gonna do too much. So this is my Letterman jacket, as you can see, class of 2004. And yes, I was chocolate girl back then, still chocolate girl now. And we are the Gardena Panthers. So we got the panther on the back of the jacket, and our colors are green and white. So I had to pull this out the archives. So I'm gonna wear it tonight. Okay, so that's the jacket. Now, I got this shirt from Temu, okay? Shout out to Temu for always coming through for your girl. This shirt is so cute. It looks exactly how it looked on the Temu app. So when I saw it, I was like, I gotta have it. And it came in the mail yesterday. It only took me, 5 days to get my shirt, so it came just in time for me to wear it to the reunion today. Just get into the details of the nails, the bamboo nails, the rings on the fingers, okay, period. And I got me some bamboo earrings that I was thinking of wearing to go with the shirt. So I got bamboo earrings, and then I also got my bamboo Aquarius earrings. So I also got these super cute gold bracelets from Temu as well. You know, the girls love a nice gold bangle, and you gotta have something on the wrist to bring out the earrings and the shirt. So that's that. And let's get into the shoes, because how ironic, I got these boots in a Temu haul about a month ago, but I haven't showed them to you guys yet. But how cute are these boots, and how ironic is it that they go so perfect with my Letterman jacket? Like, just get into it. Get into it. These boots are so cute. They're like sock boots, so they're super comfortable, super affordable, and cute. Like, nobody would ever know that this whole fit came from Temu. I don't care what nobody say, I love me some Temu, okay? So make sure you guys click the link in the description of this video and download the Temu app. And make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 so that you can get you a $100 coupon bundle to save on your order for new app users, okay? So if you click that link and download the app, make sure you use my referral code so you can save you some extra coins. I make content and show things to help the girls be cute on a budget and save money, okay? It does not even take much to be cute. So people be like, oh, Temu is cheap, Temu is cheap, it's not good quality. Look at the quality of this shirt. The print is nice and big. You can tell it's not gonna scrape off or come off easily. Like, look at the details, okay? And look at the quality of these boots. And look at the quality of these bundles. Like, girl, cheap wear, because this hair is bomb. I'm sorry. This hair is bomb. It's so soft. It's not shedding. And your girl gonna be so cute tonight. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And y'all, I still need to do my nails, but I cannot decide on which one of these I want to put on. I'm leaning more towards these ones because they have a lot of gold detail in them, like the shirt that I'm wearing and the accessories I'm wearing are gold. But then I was like, oh, the duckies are so fire. Oh, any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. So yeah, it's gonna be these. Get into them. Let's put them on. Let's put them on. Let me just say the charms and the details in these nails are so cute. Like the 3D charms are bomb and these nails are so easy to apply. The video is sped up because I just wanted to show you guys how I was applying them. So it's a tutorial, but it was a sped up one. But I did apply a good bubble of glue, held the nails down for about 30 seconds before I let go. Applied my cuticle oil on all of my cuticles because we can't be having no ashy cuticles with some bomb nails. And boom, just like that, I got a fresh set. It came out so bomb and I'm ready for the reunion. So I got my hair together and now I'm putting the outfit together. The body is bodying, y'all. I've been doing a little something in the gym, but we ain't gonna do too much tonight, so I'm keeping it simple. My style is very casual, comfortable, kind of like tomboy, girly. So that's the look I was going for. And for 20 years to have passed, I would say Chocolate Girl still looking good. She 38 and feeling great, okay? I'm really aging like fine wine, okay? It's giving I'm still in high school. Drop a comment and let me know how y'all feel about how my look came together. Now this picture that I'm posting is homecoming of 2004. Tell me why me and my girl Tracy still look exactly the same. And shout out to my girl Gayon in the picture with us. This is a couple of my homies from high school. I did not take too many pictures and videos. I was just living in the moment and glad to see everybody there. This is a picture of all the girls that came out to the reunion. Shout out to everybody. It was so good to see all of y'all. And tell me why when everybody got together to take the class picture, I was in the bathroom, so I'm not even in this picture. That is crazy. But thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.